Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra's Sensations. I'm going to be doing just an abstract chain pull tonight. I just had the urge to see what I can do with my, I think this is a 12 by 12 canvas. I've got the white acrylic ready to go. I just wanted to play with some chain a little bit and see if I can do something unique in an abstract kind of way. There we go, get bubbles out. I'm just going to use a couple of colors. I've got my Bahama blue, my purple, and some brilliant blue. Now the brilliant blue's got a little bit of silicone in it, so I'm hoping to get a little cell action on this. So I'm going to start first with my Bahama blue. I'm just going to go on this side as straight down as I can, straight down-ish. Whoop, and spilling everywhere, that's okay. Spilling is allowed, as long as it's not on the carpet. Okay, and then my purple. Ooh, I like those two colors together. Okay, and then I'm going to do my brilliant blue. Okay, now is that enough coloring? I think I'm going to do one more of my purple. I'm going to go on the inside. Still leaving some white, but I'm just going to make it a smaller line of purple. There we go. Then I'm going to take my chain, which I have two connected together. I'm just going to hook it onto the corner of my canvas at the bottom. I'm going to lay my chain down as straight as I can into the white. And then I'm just going to pull one side and go all the way over. I'm going to take this one and pull this one all the way over. Okay. That has a very cool effect to it, doesn't it? Okay, let's give it a little torch. Wow. Now to decide if I want to do anything with this. That looks really neat. I'm not sure. I don't know if I want to play with it or not. Look at how cool that looks. No, I don't think I'm going to play with it. I think I'm going to leave it as is. The only thing I'm going to do is take my glove and just move this purple off to the end a little bit. Add a little purple on this corner. And add a little purple over here on this corner. A little bit more over here. See how this side's doing. Yes, I'm not going to mess with this anymore. This was a very quick painting and it turned out awesome. Thanks for joining me, everybody.